Hi guys, welcome to another DIY video. We are going to be making a unicorn made out of a towel, so let's get started. So first of all, you will need one of these towels. I got this one from Walmart. This one is 16 inches by 24, and you need to fold it in half and set a midway point. That way you know where to start rolling over your edge to meet the middle. Hopefully this makes sense. So you fold it one way, halfway. And then what I did here is that I just cut off the tag just so it wouldn't be popping up anywhere or anything like that. So then again, you fold the other edge, rolling it to the inner portion of the towel. So here I have both sides rolled towards the center. Then I folded it in half, leaving the open edges towards the outer portion. Then you're gonna need some thread, preferably white, that way it can match the color of your towel. Or if you want to make it any other color, just make sure the thread matches. So I'm doing it a little bit below the halfway point. That way it can be like the legs of the unicorn, but if you want to make it the legs a little longer, you can put your thread up a little bit more higher. So then you just roll it around maybe 3 times and then tie a knot so it can be in place. Then you will need to make the mouth of the unicorn, the muzzle part. So here I just stuck my fingers inside the hoop and then grabbed a little portion, and here I will add a little bit more thread, making this the mouth portion of the unicorn. So once you're done with that, that's how it should look. Then I will follow by making the top of the head of the unicorn. I'm going to be putting some thread through the last tube, and I will just be tying it up here. That way it can make the head portion a little bit smaller at the top. That way when you place your unicorn horn and your ears, it can give it a little bit more of shape at the top of the head. So once you're done making the top of the head, you will follow by adding your unicorn horn and your ears. The unicorn horn, I show you how to make it in the unicorn inspired Converse shoes. So you can learn how to make the horn in that video. And also the ears, I just pretty much trace it out on glitter foamy and then layer the pink on top of the white, and that gives me the ears of the unicorn. However, if you need a visual on how to make these unicorn ears, I also make them in the Dreamcatcher video, the Unicorn Dreamcatcher. So if you need to see them, just go and check out that video. I also wanted to mention that I made these and the smaller washcloths into unicorns, and I used them for my best friend's baby shower. However, the idea I got from a sample that I seen in Mexico. I seen it in Guadalajara in the store. However, the unicorns there were just much more simple. They only had a horn and ears. They didn't have the flowers that I'm going to be adding here shortly. So that's how I got started with this idea of making this unicorn out of a towel. You can make these for centerpieces. You can make them for, party favors. And here I'll be using these flowers. I mean, there's many different flowers you can use. You can use like these daisies with a little rhinestone in the center, or you can even use like paper flowers. So any of these flowers will do. And I usually like to structure them by pink in the center because there's already pink in your ears, and teal and purple on each ends, because I think those colors just go perfect with unicorn theme. Next, I will be adding the eyes. I made the eyes out of heat transfer paper. I cut it out with the Silhouette Cameo machine. However, if you don't have a Silhouette Cameo machine, you can always use, foamy or felt, anything to make your eyes, even fabric. But in this case, it was just easier for me to make it in the Cameo machine. And you can heat press these on there. However, I just added hot glue. It works perfectly fine. But if you will use your heat transfer machine, make sure you heat transfer your eyes first and then add your flowers and ears and unicorn horn, because then it's just gonna get flat and you don't want that. Also, if you're interested, you can make a mouth. You can add pink rosy cheeks. There's different things you can do with this. I think I'm gonna add some pink rosy cheeks for this one. So just adding the little pink cheeks, and this is how it should turn out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment down below if there's any other animal that I can make out of a towel for you guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching this video.